Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Toby from 170. So currently I am in KVK of season number 2, server 233. I am inside Alliance called WIB, Watch It Burn, whose leader is Sami. So with their permission and their assistance, I'm gonna be testing the new feature which was in the recent patch notes, which is about the dismantling time of the thermal towers in KVK. I did make a video on it recently, but at that point I did not have enough marches to make a big dent in time, although I still managed to at least observe that around 20 to 30 minutes was getting minus with each march. But I want to see if like that time will change with the amount of marches put in, or it will still remain the same, like 20 to 30 march, sorry, 20 to 30 minutes difference with each march, or will that time go up or down. And I also want to see if the number of troops in the march matter or not. So first of all, we will just send in full marches. And see, I have full troops in my marches. As you can see, it went from 4 hours to 3 hours and 3 hours 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna wait for these players over here to send their marches in and see how much of difference in time it makes. I hope I can have a good amount of players here. Okay, so that's 2 hours now from 4 hours with 7 marches inside of here. And all these marches seem to have full troops. Okay, that's a lot of dent. Let's say 5 more marches made a 30 minutes difference with that. I'm gonna see if we have any more players here. Any more players here? Alright. Let's wait a little bit. Actually, I have done one mistake in this, that I gave them a bit wrong time. It was supposed to be on 19 UTC, but I started a bit early. That's my mistake. I should not have done that. Who's coming from here? You are driving from a bit far away. Okay. I hope Elberon and Artifacts can send their marches. That would be nice. Sami is helping me. Alright. He doesn't think. I don't think that anyone else is gonna send march, so let's call back and try with less troops. Okay. Let's see if it makes a difference. We had 1 hour and 30 minutes with 12 marches inside of tower. I want to see if number of troops will make that time less or it will remain the same. So during KVK, if we are using this thing to dismantle, we can save troops if they don't matter. if number of troops matter, then someone attacks your tower. While dismantling it, you will lose a lot of troops and they will gain a lot of honor. Personally, I wouldn't like for this thing to count, so we can just send these allocated marches and get our dismantling done without losing a big amount of troops. Just done here. Sorry. Okay. I'm getting a lag. I have sent in my march, and they are also sending their marches. Let's see if there's any difference in time. As of right now, I don't see a big difference in time. The amount of time have definitely decreased with the amount of marches putting in. It's not same as before, like when I saw 20 to 30 minutes difference with each march. It's not the same as before, but still the amount of time reduction is pretty good. Yeah, he's also okay. This is good. One more player is coming. This is same guy. He should also be helping for this main now. Yeah, so apparently troops in the march does not matter. Just you can clearly see we don't have number of troops here, and even with the number of troops, amount of time was approximately same. Only difference right now is that we have more number of marches. It was 12 and now it's 13. One more just came in. Still, from 4 hour to like 1 hour 20 minutes with 14 to 15 marches inside dismantling, that's like really fast dismantling, unlike before when you had almost like 8 hours time on a tower dismantling, which is a lot of time. Most people's time zone literally changes waiting for that. What are you saying, Arifex? Let me translate. Did you see your troops? I mean, I see my troops. Is it talking about the animations? Okay. Let's wait for more marches to come. Who else is sending? Claudia. And we have Claudia once again. Why are they coming from different locations? Oh boy. Okay, it's town. So only number of marches count and not how strong marches. It does look like only number of marches count and troops inside don't. No. This will help save troops and dismantle towers quick. What are you saying? No, it's fine because it doesn't matter if there are troops inside. Okay. Let's see how much time we can actually get. So from 17 marches, we have around 1 hour now until this tower dismantles. That's literally really, I think that's personally that's a really good thing. This will make KVKs like more competitive, I believe so. But I have heard from some of my friends, they're complaining that if they're gonna reduce the dismantling time by this many like this margin, like you can see it's from 4 to 1 with just a few marches, so they should also increase the healing time of tower. But right now I want to see how much of a difference there will be in an active KVK against opponents fighting with each other. I want to see if we need towers to heal quickly or not. So I'm gonna wait for these matches to arrive as well. Currently we have 18 matches inside. I expect this time to go at least around like 30 minutes to 20 minutes if we have 70 out of 70. But with 70 out of 70 we might actually be able to remove this tower instantly. That's just my own like thinking. I think that we can like instantly remove this tower with enough matches, which is why I wanted more players to join here, but they don't seem to be available right now. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking. Maybe not literally. Man, my keyboard. But yes, allowed less time maybe with 70 out of 70. No problem, we can just create and send it to Pavlia. Yeah, he's complaining about time. That's my bad. Should have waited. Alright, 23 matches inside and it's now below 1 hour. I am liking this. Like, I'm literally loving this right now. I personally want KVK to be more competitive and have more fights with players rather than more fights on gates or towers. And this will help with that in some scenarios. Not all, obviously. I think it can be immediately with even less than 70. My board needs 70 for that then. Alright. Okay, so yeah, I don't think more players are gonna come in. So this is what you can see from here. The number of troops in the march does not count, but the amount of marches inside the tower are making a big dent in dismantling time on the tower, and this will be very nice change in conquest level KVKs where players are more active and more competitive between big servers. So I expect to see more fights in upcoming KVKs and I hope I am right about it. This feature should not really disappoint. Let's just thank them all. Thanks everyone who helped. So yeah, once again a big shout out to all these players who have volunteered to help me get this thing done, which will likely help you and a lot of players to get ready for their next KVKs. These are the players who have participated in this testing. A big thanks to them for letting me in the alliance and do this thing when they don't really had to do it, but they went out of their way and helped me with it. Also cost them some AP. So yeah, thank you for everything. And this is about all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.